Hello everyone, in this video I will compare CachyOS, Nobara, and Bazzite. CachyOS, Nobara, and Bazzite are three Linux distributions built with gaming in mind, but they each target different types of users and setups. CachyOS is based on Arch Linux and focuses heavily on performance optimization. It comes with strong kernels, including CachyOS and Linux Zen, tuned CPU schedulers, and package build optimizations that can squeeze extra FPS out of your hardware. Being Arch-based, it gives you rolling updates and access to the Arch user repository AUR for the latest gaming tools and software. The downside is that it requires more Linux knowledge to install, configure, and maintaining. Nobara is built on Fedora but modified by the creator of Proton.ee to make PC gaming and content creation much easier. It comes preloaded with NVIDIA or AMD drivers, multimedia codecs, OBS, and game-specific tweaks, meaning you don't have to fight with Linux setup to get started. Nobara's goal is to be a ready-to-play desktop OS for gamers while still keeping Fedora's stability and security. Bazzite, also Fedora-based, is more like a console OS for PC. It integrates a SteamOS-like interface great for couching game and use with controller, especially if you own a stacked deck or plan to game on a living room PC. It's streamlined for launching games quickly without the distraction of a traditional desktop, though you can still access one if needed. If you want the absolute best performance and are comfortable with manual tweaking, CachyOS is for you. If you want a desktop OS that's gaming ready right after install, Nobara is the sweet spot. If you want a console-like plug-and-play gaming experience, especially on Steam Deck or Media Center, Bazzite is the best choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.